Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to draw this ocean view illustration in Procreate. Anyone can draw this, trust me. It is easier than you think. Just follow my step-by-step drawing tutorial. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you would like to see more content like this, please like this video and subscribe. And now let's start. Let's create a new canvas. I will be drawing on A4 canvas from Procreate. Let's rotate it this way. I've created a color palette for this illustration. You can download it if you want to. Link will be in the description box. Or you can take a screenshot now or from my Instagram stories and use it to sample the colors. We are going to draw the sky first, and we will start with this first dark purple color. Let's go to the selection tool, and here we have to pick rectangle, and also this color fill option has to be turned on. Now let's select the rectangle like this at the top of the canvas, and it will fill with the color. Okay, let's tap on the selection tool to finish using it with this color. And now let's pick a new color, this pink one. We are going to use the selection tool again and draw a small rectangle under that first one. Just make sure that the colors will be overlapping, that there will be no empty white space in between them. Now again, let's tap on the selection tool, pick a new color, next one in line, this bright red color, and use the selection tool to draw another rectangle like this. Again, let's tap on the selection tool and let's change the color to this one, fourth one in the first line. Use the selection tool again and now create a rectangle like this, so we'll have 4 colored stripes on the canvas. Now we are going to blend these colors together to create a nice sunset sky. We can do it easily using Gaussian blur. Let's go to the adjustments, pick Gaussian blur, layer, and now to add the blur, you have to swipe your pencil on the screen. At the top of the screen you can see the blur size. Let's make it 38%. Tap here to finish, and now we're going to create the base for the ocean. Let's go to the layers and tap on this plus here to create a new layer. We are going to get a new color, this first red color from the second line. Here we are going to use the selection tool again. Select the rectangle that will be a little bit lower than the middle of your canvas. Okay, let's tap here to finish this. And now we want to add some colors only inside this rectangle. To do that, we have to go to the layers and tap on this layer and set it to alpha lock. Let's get a new color, this very light red, and we have to pick a brush. So let's tap here, and the brush we're going to use is the soft brush from airbrushing. The brush size I will use is 13%. Now I'm going to color this part of the rectangle. It's nothing precise, just a loose shape. Let's get a new color, next one in line, and add it to our ocean, maybe like this. Let's move on to the next color, and again we're going to draw a random shape, maybe in the middle of the rectangle. We have one more color to use for this next one in line. Okay, now we are going to blend those colors together using Gaussian blur. So let's go to the adjustments, Gaussian blur, layer, and then swipe your pencil on the screen and set the blur size to something around 43%. Our next step is to draw the length, so let's create a new layer for that. And we are going to pick a new color, this first dark one from the last line. We are going to change the brush. Let's go to inking and pick dry ink. I'm going to use size 19%. Now let's draw a wavy line like this at the bottom of our canvas. Let's make it go higher on this side. And now we're going to close the shape. You can draw outside of the canvas, and let's drag and drop the color inside there. Now if you hold your pencil down on the screen and swipe it to the left or right, you can adjust the color drop threshold. Make sure you have it set to a high number. Now let's zoom in, and if we can still see a little bit white where the color fill connected with line, we can just draw over it. We can make it look better. Okay, let's create a new layer for the second land. We are going to change the color to this second dark color. Now turn down the brush size a little bit and draw a triangle shape like this. Close the shape and drag and drop the color inside it. And let's fix it in the same way as a moment ago. Let's make this maybe more pointy here. Okay, now we're going to draw some waves on the ocean. So let's open the layers and tap on the layer of the ocean and then create a new layer above it. We want to draw only within the ocean's shape, so we have to turn this layer into a clipping mask. Now let's pick a new color, this very dark blue color here. To draw waves, we are going to use a brush that imitates them. The brush I'm talking about is in the Elements, and it's called Oceans. Let's turn down the brush size to 22%. The opacity should be 100%. And draw some waves on the horizon. Let's draw them a little bit lower too. Okay, now as we go lower, we are going to make the brush bigger, maybe 39%. And we can continue drawing the waves. Draw them kind of randomly, also changing the pressure that you're using. Here at the very front, we are going to use brush size 54%. Okay, for now this is enough. Let's pick another color for drawing reflections in the water. It will be this last color here, a light orange color. Draw some waves in the front, place them randomly, and then change the brush to a smaller one, size 32, and draw some waves further away. Let me add some more reflections here in the front. In the next step, we are going to add some more colors to the ocean to make it even nicer. So let's open the layers, select the layer of the ocean base, go to the colors and pick this bright color here. We are going to change the brush to soft brush from a brushing. Add some pink color here and here. And now let's get the next color, this dark purple color, and draw it on this side. Now let's maybe go back to this lighter red color, and with a smaller brush, let's add it here to the side. And one more color, this orange one, and we are just going to add it somewhere here. Now let's go to the adjustments and use the Gaussian blur to blend the colors together. My blur size is 29%. Okay, I think this looks more interesting now, but if you think it's too much, you can just skip that step. Let's open the layers and select the layer of the waves. And go to the colors and pick that dark blue color we used for the waves earlier. We are going to use the soft brush, set it to a small size, and just darken the horizon line like this. Now we are going to fix the way the ocean connects with the land on the left side, so let's go to the layers and tap on the layer of that land. We are going to use Smudge tool. Tap on it again and pick here Dry Ink from Inking. Let's make this a little bit smaller, maybe 51%, and we are going to smudge the edge of this land. Just swipe your pencil to the left and right. Now it looks better. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like and a comment, even just a smiley face would be enough. It would mean a lot to me. Now we are going to draw some clouds in the sky. Let's open the layers and create a new layer for them. Go to the colors and pick this very bright red color from the last line. The brush we are going to use for clouds is Gloaming from Drawing category. I'm going to set the brush size to 28%. Let's draw some simple clouds like this. This way of drawing clouds is very easy because you can really just draw random shapes. They don't have to be perfect or specific in any way. This is the base color for the clouds, and in a moment we'll add some more colors to them. Okay, if you finished, we can go to the colors and pick the next color in line, so this one. I turned down the brush size just a tiny bit, and now I'm drawing a few spots on the clouds, imitating shadows. I'm drawing them very lightly and not too much of them. This will be enough, and now let's go to the colors and pick the next color, this one. With this color we are going to add some light to the clouds. So let's add it more to the left side of our clouds and let's have it more at the top of them. As you can see, I draw them not precisely, so it's really fun and stress-free process. When the small clouds are done, we can move on to drawing a bigger cloud. For that cloud, we'll use this purple color. Let's make the brush bigger, something around 48%. And in the same loose way, we are going to draw a big cloud here. Okay, when you finish with the main shape, go to the colors and pick this light purple color. Draw some random spots on the top of the left side of the cloud. Something like this will be good. Now we're going to use the smudge tool to soften the cloud's edges a little bit. Let's tap on the smudge tool again and change it to the same brush we used for clouds, so to the Gloaming brush from Drawing. The opacity should be 100% and the brush size I will use is 30%. Now we can just gently smudge the edges of the clouds. Before we'll move on to adding palms, I want to make the sky a little bit lighter, so I'm going to pick the layer of the sky and then go to the adjustments, then hue, saturation, brightness, layer, and I will change the brightness to 53% and saturation to 52%. I also want to add a few more reflections to the water, so I'm going to the layer with the waves, picking the right color, picking the right brush, and I'm adding some more reflections here. Okay, sorry for that. Now let's do those palm trees. Let's tap on the top layer and create a new layer above it. Let's go to the colors and pick the same color we used for drawing the land in front of our canvas. Now I'm going to use my palm tree stem brushes. If you like them, you can download them and support my channel. Link will be in the description box. Or if you want to draw your own palm trees, I will show you how you can do it at the end of this video. So I'm going to pick this palm tree number 10 and I'm just going to stamp it here. Now let's get another palm tree. Maybe this one. And I will want to change the shape of it, so it is better to make a new layer for this palm tree. Let's pick the right size. 55 should be good. And let's stamp it here. Okay, now we can use this arrow tool to bend the palm tree. We have to use this wrap option here, and to make it even easier, we can use advanced mesh. Now we have here some points we can move to the side, and this way we will change the shape of our tree. Now this looks a bit more interesting. On the same layer, we can also add some palm tree leaves to the left side of our illustration. I'm going to pick this brush and just stamp it here. Maybe let's change the brush size to 57%. Okay, now we can make a new layer to add some palm trees to that second land in our drawing. For them, we are going to change the color to the same color as we used for the second land, so this dark color here. And I'm going to pick some palm trees and just stamp them. Here I'm going to use the arrow tool again, and this time I'll be changing slightly the shape of all of these 3 palm trees together. I'm just looking at this illustration now, and I think it would be better if the ocean was just a little bit lower. So I'm going to select those 2 layers together, swiping them to the right, and I will use the arrow tool to move it down a little bit. That looks better, but now I have to add some more waves here. Sorry for that, in a moment I will show you how you can draw your own palm trees. Okay, so if you want to draw a really nice realistic palm tree, the easiest way is to find a reference picture on Google and download it to your iPad. Then, once you have it, you can go here to the Actions menu and pick Import Photo. When your picture is here, go to the Layers and move this layer to the top. Now create a new layer above it. To draw the palm tree, I recommend using Studio Pen from Inking. Now use a good sized brush and trace over the palm tree photo. Here I'm just showing you how to do it quickly, so it's not going to look good. I just want to give you an idea how to do it. When you finish, you can just turn off the layer of the photo, and you will have your palm tree here. Okay, our illustration is finished. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to share your drawing with me, please tag me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!